Woken up by painful leg cramps again? Does it feel like your legs just don't have the strength they used to? You're not alone. Leg cramps and muscle weakness are frustrating. They disrupt sleep. They limit your activities. They can really shake your confidence. Many people think it's just dehydration or maybe overexertion. Sometimes that's true, but often there's more to the story. Key nutrient deficiencies frequently play a major role. Your muscles and nerves need specific fuel to work correctly. Today, we're diving into 5 specific nutrients. These are crucial for proper muscle and nerve function in your legs. Learning about them can help you fight back. We'll explore how they work and how to get more of them. Ready to reduce cramps, fight weakness, regain leg energy? Let's get started. How often do leg cramps bother you, or feelings of weakness? Share your experience in the comments below, and please subscribe for more practical health insights. First on our list is magnesium. Think of magnesium as the ultimate muscle relaxer. Calcium tells your muscles to contract. Magnesium tells them to relax. You need both in balance. Magnesium also helps calm overactive nerve signals. This prevents those sudden, painful spasms. Unfortunately, many people don't get enough magnesium. Stress burns through your magnesium stores. Processed diets are often low in this vital mineral. Certain medications, like some diuretics and acid blockers, can deplete it too. Low magnesium is strongly linked to muscle cramps, especially those nighttime leg cramps. It's also linked to muscle twitches and general fatigue. Boosting magnesium is possible through diet. Focus on leafy green vegetables like spinach and Swiss chard. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources. Almonds and pumpkin seeds are powerhouses. Include legumes like black beans and lentils. Avocado and whole grains also contribute. Eating these foods regularly helps maintain healthy magnesium levels. Next up is potassium. Potassium is essential for balancing fluids inside your cells. It works closely with sodium. This balance is critical for nerve signals to travel correctly. It ensures your muscles receive the right commands. Proper potassium levels support smooth muscle function. Low potassium can cause problems. Modern diets are often high in sodium, salt, and low in potassium-rich produce. This imbalance disrupts fluid regulation. Certain medications, especially diuretics for blood pressure, can cause potassium loss. Symptoms of low potassium include muscle weakness, fatigue, and yes, cramps. Replenishing potassium is often delicious. Bananas are famous for potassium, but many foods are even richer. Think sweet potatoes and white potatoes with skin. Spinach and other leafy greens are great. Beans and lentils pack a potassium punch. Plain yogurt is another good source. Aim for a diet rich in fruits and vegetables. We often think of calcium for bones, but it's absolutely vital for muscle contraction. Every time your muscle tightens, calcium is involved. It acts as the trigger signal. However, muscle function requires a careful balance, especially between calcium and magnesium. Too little calcium can cause issues, but an imbalance, perhaps too much calcium relative to magnesium, might also contribute to cramps. Getting enough calcium is important, but your body also needs to use it correctly. Absorption can decrease with age. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption. Magnesium is needed to regulate calcium. It's all connected. Good calcium sources are well known. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are rich in calcium. For non-dairy options, consider canned sardines or salmon with bones. Dark leafy greens like kale and bok choy offer calcium. Many foods are now fortified with calcium too, like some juices and plant milks. Let's talk about vitamin D. It's famous for bone health because it helps absorb calcium. But vitamin D does more. It directly impacts muscle strength and function. Specific receptors for vitamin D are found in muscle tissue. Adequate levels help maintain muscle mass and performance. Vitamin D deficiency is incredibly common, especially in older adults. Our skin makes less vitamin D from sun as we age. Many people spend more time indoors. Dietary sources are limited. Low vitamin D is strongly linked to muscle weakness, also muscle aches and pains. It's a major factor in reduced mobility and increased fall risk. How can you boost vitamin D? Sensible sun exposure is the best natural source. Just 15 to 20 minutes on arms and legs a few times a week can help, depending on skin type and location. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel contain vitamin D. Fortified dairy or plant milks are good sources. Egg yolks offer small amounts. For many, especially in winter or with limited sun, supplements are necessary. Talk to your doctor about testing your levels and appropriate dosage. Finally, let's consider the B vitamins. Specifically, B1, thiamine, B6, pyridoxine, and B12, cobalamin. This trio is crucial for nerve health. Your nerves carry signals from your brain to your leg muscles. Damaged or unhealthy nerves mean weak signals. This leads to weakness and poor coordination. B vitamins are also vital for energy metabolism. They help your muscle cells convert food into usable energy. Deficiencies can happen for various reasons. B12 absorption often declines with age. Certain medications like metformin or acid blockers interfere with it. Poor diets might lack sufficient B1 or B6. Symptoms can include muscle weakness, fatigue, numbness or tingling in the legs, neuropathy, and poor balance. Where do we find these B vitamins? B1 is in whole grains, legumes, and pork. B6 is found in poultry, fish, potatoes, and non-citrus fruits. B12 is primarily in animal products: meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy. Vegetarians and vegans often need fortified foods or supplements. Eating a varied diet helps cover these bases. Remember, these nutrients don't work in isolation. Magnesium and calcium need to be balanced. Vitamin D is essential for calcium use. B vitamins support the nerves that control the muscles. It's a team effort inside your body. And we can't forget hydration. Water is absolutely fundamental for muscle function. Dehydration is a very common cause of muscle cramps. Drinking enough water throughout the day supports nutrient transport. It helps muscles contract and relax properly. Think of water as the essential partner to all these nutrients. So, tackling leg cramps and weakness goes beyond simple fixes. It often involves supporting your body with key nutrients. Magnesium helps muscles relax. Potassium balances fluids and nerve signals. Calcium triggers contractions but needs balance. Vitamin D enhances muscle function. B vitamins fuel nerves and energy. And don't forget water. Focusing on a diet rich in these nutrients can make a real difference. Prioritize whole foods, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, lean proteins, whole grains. If you have persistent cramps or weakness, talk to your doctor. They can check for deficiencies and rule out other causes. We hope this information helps you fuel your legs. Take steps towards feeling stronger and more comfortable. Did you find this helpful? Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends or family who might benefit, and subscribe for more practical health insights. Thanks for watching.